First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start any video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select the text, edit by tag, size the letter, font of letter, change the color of letter, duplicate the letter. Then select the 3D shape, change the color. Select the color filter, change the color of letter, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.